There are a couple of huge lies in the crypto market, a bullish sentiment and a big warning shot fired. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, it's a patient hodler coming at you from a rooftop in Brazil. And if you enjoyed these crypto updates, very quick videos in between, then smash up the like button and let me know that you like that in the comments below and what you think about what I'm about to tell you. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's address the lies in the crypto market. First of the lies is that we are just about to start the bull run. Some people are saying the bull run hasn't even started yet and so on. I think that's completely false. I think the bull run has started the moment that we came out of the bottom at 15,000 about 2 and something years ago. So remember that we went to 15,500 after all these horrible collapses, Terra Luna, Three Arrows Capital, FTX collapse and so on, all the bearish news, FUD and so on, where the point was that bears claimed Bitcoin would go to 12,000, 10,000 or even lower than that, and it did never happen. So that was the turnaround, and from then on we were in a bull market, right? And that bull market is visible. We got Bitcoin ETFs, we got inflows, positive inflows into those Bitcoin ETFs every month with the exception of one single month, right? Check this out. And we got a pro-Bitcoin president elected into office. We get so many bullish news of company adoption, nation states that are adopting, that are even acquiring Bitcoin at the moment, right? Smaller states like El Salvador, countries like Bhutan that are sitting on $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, right? So that is all very bullish, and that happened in the last 2 years. So we are in fact already since more than 2 years in a bull run. That doesn't mean that we have entered altcoin season or even seen the bigger part of the altcoin season. That is true, right? There's a lot of bullish sentiment coming from, but for Bitcoin, we have been progressing already really well, right? So that is the first lie. The bull run has just started. It's more like we have been progressing to the latest or the last stage of the bull run for Bitcoin, right? So the last leg is coming here. So second big lie is that a specific news like Michael Saylor is buying, that is resulting in a pump. If that was true, then we should have pumped in all these weeks where we were basically red, and Michael Saylor did also buy in those weeks and nothing happened, right? Or that Trump did this and that, and because of that we are pumping. That's also not true. Bitcoin is only driven by one thing, and that is global liquidity, right? And we just had a big global liquidity breakout, and now we have a retest. Many streams ago in Crypto Morning Coffee we looked at that actually. We looked at the breakout of global liquidity, the retest, and then we are expecting a continuation, right? So that is to the upside, right? So also that a little bit of a lie in the market that a specific news leads to a huge pump in the market. Not true at all, right? So let me know in the comments below what you think about these lies, and let's talk about bullish sentiment and the warning shot fired, right? So look at the monthly close for December that we just had yesterday. This monthly close, and by the way, we also had a yearly close, but this monthly close is forming a big fat shooting star, a red one, textbook shooting star, and usually the trend is downwards from there. So could we see a bigger correction, a crash down to 80 something thousand, maybe even 80,000? It is at least possible. We should consider it, although the bullish sentiment is there for sure. So look at the yearly chart and let's discard the monthly for now. We have 2 green candles, and usually after a red bearish candle that we had a couple of years ago, we have 2 green candles, 2 green yearly candles, and now a third one should follow if history repeats. And also if we see the setups of the different quarters, Q1 after the halving year is usually extremely bullish for both Bitcoin and altcoins, although there are major corrections up to 30 or 40% corrections here, and our correction right now is only 15%. So we could factor that in, that shooting star going into this yearly candle as one correction, and still we could have a very bullish year, but we should be at least prepared that we could see some major correction, a correction that is bigger than the one that we are having since the mid of December right now, right? So that is something that we should see. But overall, the sentiment is extremely bullish in my opinion, just because of the adoption. Even if we see a bigger correction, I think we will go higher from here. The indicators also support that. If you haven't seen that, watch the videos that I made before. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and wherever you are on the world, Happy New Year to each and every one of you, and have yourselves a great morning, evening, day, night or afternoon. Enjoy this first day of the year, and I see you in the next video. Bye.